In this video, we're going to talk about cell communication. There are different kinds of cell communication, and one of them is direct contact. And in animal cells, this allows proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids of the plasma membrane to transmit information. And keywords to know are gap junctions and plasmodesmata. Gap junction is in animal cells and it allows chemical and electrical signaling between cells. And plasmodesmata is in plants, and there are tunnels of cytoplasm between cells. There's also synaptic signaling, and this occurs between junctions of nerve cells or between nerves and muscles. And neurotransmitters are short-lived chemical signals. There's also paracrine signaling, and this is a mechanism for local communication, so cells that are close to each other, and cells secrete substances that only affect nearby cells. There's also endocrine signaling, and this provides a mechanism for distributing signals throughout multicellular organisms. Now I'm going to talk about signal transduction pathways, and this is a signal transduction pathway is a sequence of molecular interactions that transforms an extracellular signal into a specific cellular response. Signaling molecules or ligands are first messengers, and hydrophilic ligands are signaling molecules that cannot cross the phospholipid bilayer. Hydrophobic ligands and certain small molecules are signaling molecules that are able to cross the membrane unaided. Receptor proteins are molecules that have binding sites for signaling molecules, and there's membrane receptors and intracellular receptors. So these two receptors are proteins. And there's G-protein coupled receptors, and this is a transmembrane that activates a G protein.